Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive on I-95 South through Rhode Island, beginning at mile 31 in the city of Warwick in Kent County. You can see a big green sign at exit 29 directing traffic to use US Highway 1 here to access Rhode Island's T.F. Green International Airport. Kent County had a population of 170,363 at the 2020 census. Rhode Island has 5 counties, making it tied with Hawaii for the second fewest counties in the United States. Only Delaware has fewer with 3 counties. Unlike most states, Rhode Island's counties have no local government. Instead, governance is handled by its 8 cities and 31 towns. Since 1846, counties in Rhode Island have served only as administrative boundaries for courts and sheriff-related corrections under state government jurisdiction. Here at exit 28, the northern end of I-295 connects with I-95. Known as the Providence Beltway, it makes a half loop around the western side of the Providence metropolitan area, connecting back with I-95 to the north of Providence a few miles into Massachusetts. We enter the town of West Warwick, incorporated in 1913, making it the newest town in Rhode Island. West Warwick was the location of The Station, a nightclub and music venue where a devastating fire occurred on February 20, 2003, during a concert by the rock band Great White. A pyrotechnic display ignited packing foam used for soundproofing, resulting in a tragic blaze that killed 100 people and injured 230 others. The location has since been transformed into Station Fire Memorial Park, a permanent memorial that opened in May 2017 to honor the victims. We enter the town of East Greenwich, named for Greenwich, Kent, England, making it even more appropriate that the town is in Kent County. The present-day East Greenwich and the upcoming West Greenwich were a single town from 1677 to 1741. East Greenwich had a population of 14,312 and West Greenwich had 6,528 residents as of the 2020 census. We enter the town of Exeter, which was the location of the Mercy Brown vampire incident in 1892. This is a well-documented example of the New England vampire panic in the late 19th century. Several members of George and Mary Brown's family in Exeter succumbed to tuberculosis, which was believed by locals to be caused by an undead influence. After Mercy Brown, George's 19-year-old daughter, died in January 1892, villagers persuaded him to allow the exhumation of family members' bodies on March 17, 1892. While most showed normal decomposition, Mercy's body, stored in cold conditions since her death, appeared unusually well preserved. This was interpreted as evidence of her being undead. Following local superstition, her heart and liver were burned, and the ashes were mixed into a tonic given to her ill brother Edwin in an attempt to cure him. The result of this, as anyone with common sense would expect, was Edwin's death. Mercy's desecrated remains were reburied in the cemetery of the Baptist Church in Exeter. We enter the town of Richmond, which had a population of 8,020 as of the 2020 census. Note that we've also entered Washington County, and Richmond is the site of the Washington County Fair, the largest in the state, held since 1970. We conclude today's video at mile 9. Thanks for watching. We'd like to give special thanks to not just our channel members, but to all of our viewers, without whom this channel would not exist. You can help support our channel for as little as $1 a month and get early access to our regular videos. Or it doesn't cost you anything at all to give us a thumbs up, share on social media, subscribe, leave a comment below, and join us for our next 504 road trip.